I'll guide you through how to remove backgrounds in CapCut Desktop the easy way. Suppose you're looking to create professional-looking videos without a green screen, or you want to superimpose yourself onto different scenes easily. In that case, you'll definitely want to know how to remove backgrounds in CapCut. This tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, subscribe to the 3 Minutes Fix channel and let's jump right in. Launch the CapCut Desktop application on your computer and click on New Project. On the media panel at the top left, click Import, select the video or photo that has the background you want to remove, and click Open to import it into the CapCut media panel. You can also drag and drop it there. Once imported, drag and drop your video clip or photo from the media panel onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now, to remove the background. Select the video clip on your timeline by clicking on it. Look to the right side of the CapCut interface, locate and click the Video tab, then click the Remove BG subtab to see various CapCut tools for background removal. For most general backgrounds, CapCut's Auto Background Removal works incredibly well. Simply click the Auto Removal box. CapCut will then automatically process your video or image and remove the background. If you shot your video against a green or blue screen, select the Chroma key option instead. Then select the Color Picker tool. Move your mouse and click directly on the green or blue screen in your video preview to select the exact color to remove. CapCut will automatically remove that entire color from the video or photo. To get a clean cutout, adjust the intensity and shadow sliders. You may want to play around with the feather edge or cleanup edge sliders until you're happy with the result. You can also use the custom removal option to manually draw and erase parts of the background. Simply pick one of the quick brush, quick erase, or erase tools and use it to scrub on the video or image in the preview to clear out the particular area you want removed or cut out. For precise or fast erasing, adjust the size of the brush with the size slider. When satisfied, tap Apply to clear it, giving you precise control over what's removed or kept in your video. Once you're satisfied, play back your video in the preview window to see the result. If you're happy, click the Export button at the top right corner of the interface. Choose your desired resolution, format, and where to save it, then click Export again to save your final video. By this, you've successfully removed the background in CapCut Desktop. Please, if you found this tutorial useful, consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below. Click this card to explore more CapCut video tutorials. Thanks for watching.